guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, thank you so much for stopping by, and I would love it if you would consider subscribing, and if you subscribe, hit that notification bell so you won't miss an upload. And to my returning subscribers, you know I love you so much. Okay, what I have for you today is a Dollar Tree haul for 2021. I found so many new Valentine's items, I can't believe it. Dollar Tree just keeps blowing my mind when it comes to their new items. I love it. And I have little Poogie sticks right here from where it was on the hanger, and it's driving me crazy. Oh well, let's hop into this Dollar Tree for 2021 Valentine's, okay? Look at this. Is this not the cutest little tree? Look at that. Now, this was $1.25, but well worth it. Look at the little owl and all those hearts in the, like the pink and the red. And then that base of that tree is that glitter. If you don't like glitter, you won't like this, but I love glitter. You can hang it or you could just set it up. It's adorable. And I'll show you right here. It is kind of thick. They have put another little cutout in front of the back one. So adorable for Valentine's. Look at that little owl. He's so cute. And he has all those little hearts on his chest. Precious, okay? Then they had several of these, and I picked this one up. It's a little house. It's really thick. Love lives here. It has the heart, and there's the little chimney. They had it with, I think, a red background, maybe a pink background. I can't remember, but I wanted this one. And look at that little roof. It's dimensional. Gotta love it for $1.25. Okay, then look at this. They had so many of these adorable little signs. Hearts and hugs. And look at those hearts. You can set it up or you can hang it. And these hearts, let me open it. And these little hearts, they feel like a jelly-filled substance. They're not metal. I thought they were. And I like how they put that gold writing. It looks like it's dimensional, but it isn't. So adorable. Love it. You could leave this alone. You could take this out. Whatever you want to do. I think it's precious just like this. Okay? Then I found little metal envelopes. Now, I'm pretty sure they had the large ones, but I picked up 3. I got the red, and it has that really pretty pink ribbon and one of their little glitter hearts. You could put your own little sentiment down in there if you wanted. You can hang it, or you could just put it in a tiered tray or just in your decor. Love it. And like I said, you could put something down in there. Then I got the pink with the red bow with the red heart. And then I got the galvanized. It's just plain galvanized, red bow, red heart. Okay. And then look at this. Love you mean it. Look at this sign. This is all like a glitter. And I like it because they have them wrapped, because now things aren't going to get scratched, aren't going to get ripped off. Look at that camper. Is that not adorable? Love it, okay? And then they had several of these like conversation hearts. I got the big one that just said love. They have a green one. They had, I think, a red one. And then this pink one. I'm sure they probably have more, and they all say different things. You can see it's really thick. You could set it on its side if you wanted. You could even, I just thought about this, you could take stakes and put it on here and stick it like it's coming up out of the ground or something. So cute. Look at that. All right. Then they had these. Look at this. Love with the faux wood plank in the back. I'll open this one because I'm not sure. This is just like a light cardboard And it says love. So pretty. I like this. It's not really cut out in between there, but it gives the effect that it is. And I love that wood grain on there. You can redo this, leave it as it is. Then they had Be Mine. Same principle as the other one. So cute. Now look at these. I just did not know what to think. They've had something similar to this heart before, but look what they did. They put flowers up here and they put this little plastic cap on it so the flowers won't get smushed while it's in the store or in transit. And then this XO is raised. I love it. You can hang it if you want. That is adorable. Look at that. Quality is definitely getting better at the Dollar Tree. Then they had this one, Follow Your Heart, and I'm loving the dainty kind of shabby chic look it has. There's no glitter on this at all. It's just really pretty, sweet. Look at those flowers. It's just a very delicate Valentine's, and I love it. Then they had the red truck. I thought that was adorable. And it just says XO, XO, and then the pink and this red is glitter. You can see that, but look at that. That is gorgeous. I love their satin ribbon. And usually the ribbons are mangled and this one isn't. Look at that. Happy Valentine's Day on these lighter ones. Is that not adorable? I don't know. Then they had several of these unfinished ones. I Heart You. Look at that. Is that not cute? You could paint it. You could do whatever you wanted to with it. I just think that is adorable with the truck once again. I can't get enough of that truck. All right. And then here is a slat heart so that you can totally make whatever you want to make. Possibilities are endless with this. There's the back. Here's the front. Then they had kissing booth like this, 25 cents per kiss. Or I have seen a really long one. I didn't pick it up, but I thought that was cute. It almost looks like a ticket into a kissing booth. And then they had this, the little X and O with the metallic little metal on there. Thought that was cute. You could take this off. You could do whatever you wanted to with it. Then I had to pick up this small little mailbox. They have tons, but look at that right there. The little glitter hearts. It opens up. And it just says, Happy Valentine's Day. So sweet. Okay. And then I got some window clings. Okay. These are so cute. I picked up one of each of everything I could find. This just says, Sweet love, you make my heart smile, loved, love, and all that. Love is in the air. Look at that, how cute that is. And I like the colors that they use. I think it's very cute. And then here's all these little hearts. So sweet. Be Mine. Crazy for You, Cutie Pie, and look at those polka dots. That's so sweet. And then Be Mine, all you need is love. Love is in the air. Moon and my stars. Okay, you get 14 of these little sayings on here. Sweet love. You could put this on canisters for your drink station and it would peel right off. So adorable. And then this is the last one. Happy Valentine's Day, XO, Be Mine. And then this is glitter. That's glitter. But I don't think it's the type that's going to come off. So that is everything that I found at the Dollar Tree this week for Valentine's 2021. Like I said, every time I go in there, they have so many new finds that I'm like, wow, they are really stepping up their game. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up. It really helps me out on YouTube. And if you're not already subscribed to my channel, I would love it if you would subscribe and become a member of our family. And if you subscribe, hit that notification bell and set it to all so you won't miss an upload. So I will see you Friday. I'm hoping for some Valentine DIYs. So let me go get Maggie and let her say hi to you. Well, here is the baby. It got down to 32 last night, and so she gets to wear the sweater that Mama got her. Say, I just love my sweaters. Yes. Do you like your sweater? You like your sweater? She's so funny. Do you like your sweater? You're funny. She's mad at Mama because she was sleeping. Were you sleeping? Yes. You were sleeping? You were having a good time sleeping till Mama woke you up? I'm sorry. You want to go back to sleep? You want to go back to bed and go sleep? Okay. So, until next time. Bye, guys.